Hi there, welcome to One Two Step. In today's video, I am going to guide you through how to sign up for Bank of America. So to sign up for the account of Bank of America, first we need to open up any web browser. In this video, I'm going to open up Google. After opening up Google, in the URL bar, type in Bank of America. And after typing in Bank of America, click on the first option, log into online banking. And after doing that, you will land on the official web page of Bank of America. Now, as you can see on the left hand side, there is a login space, and on the right hand side, there is login help section and not using banking account section. If you go to not using banking account section, there is an option called enroll. Click on that, and now you have landed on the sign up section. Now, if you have your card or account number last 6 digit, then type in that and your social security digit. If you don't have them, then click on don't have SSN or TIN. After doing that, it will ask you your saving account number or your checking account number, your ATM debit card number, and your ATM debit card PIN. After filling up those forms, click continue. And after clicking continue, they will ask your email address to send a verification code. Type in your email address and type in the verification code they have sent you. And then after that, click on continue. And then after that, create your online ID and a passcode. And then click on continue and agree to the terms and policies. And in that way, you will be able to create your account on Bank of America. So that is the process of creating an account on Bank of America. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And also ring the notification bell if you want to get notification from our site. For now, thank you for watching the video.